що робиться?
And this is first-class trolling. Destroyed Russian tank has been placed in Berlin right in front of the Russian embassy. Absolutely outstanding. An idea which I could have had. 1 year after the start of the invasion, let's see the first days of the war. A Ukrainian pilot directs a plane at a convoy of enemy vehicles near Novaya Kakhovka. March 2022.
Диви! Диви, що робиться? Оце строчить, да, Саш?
While Russians send in human zombie wave after human zombie wave into Bakhmut and wasting men by the tens of thousands, Ukrainians are preparing something very big and very special. Russian propagandist Mardan says that Russia challenged the United States, and now only God can save Russia.
У нас есть гегемон. Сейчас на планете Земля есть только один гегемон. Это Соединенные Штаты, которому Россия бросила вызов. Математически это полное безумие, все это прекрасно понимают. Как и всегда, Россию может спасти и спасет исключительно Господь Бог, а не математика. Ну, еще работать придется и воевать, конечно же, придется.
Ukrainian ATGM snipers work at one of the locations. Terrifying encounter between hiker and bear in Russia.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.